Jeff Bezos issues stark warning. I just gave you your clip title. He says, hold on to your money, especially if you're considering buying things from a set of categories with which I presume this photo, they always, I know, they always use this photo. And it really doesn't make any sense, does it? I mean,
no context.
It catches your attention, obviously, but it's definitely a funny. It was from some event. Like, they got ties on and stuff. Hold on to your money. Jeff Bezos just issued a financial warning. Says you might want to rethink buying, and the list in his case is a new TV, a new automobile, and a refrigerator, or whatever. I can't say this is surprising, but when it does come from a guy that has the track record or the backstory or the intel that he does, I mean, the consumer website, Amazon, it's like he probably access to all types of data. He knows that things are softening up, slowing down. He says his quote in an interview with CNN. What do you mean CNN? He didn't do an interview with us, Will. Does not look good right now. Things are slowing down. You're seeing layoffs in many, many sectors of the economy. If you're an individual considering purchasing a big screen TV, you might want to wait. Hold on to your money and see what transpires, the billionaire recommends. The same is true with a new automobile, refrigerator, or whatever else. Just remove some risk from the equation. And now people are saying that's not a good sign for investors. Well, we have seen the drop in price on things like cars, like electric vehicles, like Tesla and so on. You wouldn't want to be buying something right now if you feel like the price is only going to go down as demand decreases. And presumably the same could happen with appliances and TVs and so on. Your money might be worth more later than it's worth today.
Yeah.
Which is just a really interesting position to find yourself. And that said, there might be other opportunities in the marketplace. There might be deals to be had in places like real estate or other types of investments. Your money might work better over there. This is not financial advice by any means, but you may want to do an investigation how you can, like, what you should be doing. Maybe you just want to keep your money in cash, like not cash, but you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah. That might work better in the short term, and you could avoid some of those big expenditures. Of course, as you know, these things, the way they work, it's about momentum and so forth. And once enough people say, oh, I'm not spending right now, you know what happens to the market as a whole. So it's a tough one to advise on. But Bezos, I guess, I mean, based on this particular quote, Bezos is telling you to chill out a little bit. Do what you will with that information, but Bezos is telling you to chill.